Cool. Let's start discussing about the movie booking system. So first of all, let's start with the requirements. What all will be the requirements of the movie booking system? Probably you can see list of theaters, right, in a city. Theaters in a city, right? Then probably you can see all the movies, all the available movies. Select the seats. Select and confirm the seats, and probably just confirm the booking. It will come on the same. Any other requirements? And if we talk about the movie booking system, right? If we talk about the, let's suppose, Book My Show, so there will be each of the theaters will have multiple auditoriums, right? Because normally the PVRs, INOX, all those have multiple audi in that. So we need to provision something like that, that each of the theater can have multiple audis. So in that, so theater can have multi audi. Okay. Any other requirement that you guys see?
Add or delete new movies, like add new movies.
Correct. So add slash modify slash delete the show for a movie. Okay. Same way, similar requirement on the theater perspective. As a Book My Show owner, or probably as a system owner, you can add multiple theaters, you can update the theater and so on. So that those requirements are there. So probably add modify uh, theaters. Okay. Cool. Any other thing? Okay. So let's start with listing down our entities. So as we have discussed in the previous sessions, right? Whenever we start with LLD, probably we follow here the top down, where we list the top entity first, right?
Bro,
Yeah.
sorry, I just have one doubt. So, like, so the parking and all, parking allocation and this snacks allocation, this snacks booking and all, like, is it will come into the requirement or is it separate thing? Like,
Parking, I was not able to get. Like, what was your question exactly?
so in this particular movie booking, like, can we pre-book the parking slot? Like, is it a feature or like is it out of thing?
Okay, parking slot in the parking slot in the theater. So
Yeah,
probably,
bro.
So probably it can kept as the P1 requirement. So definitely, you won't have enough time to implement the parking feature uh, while going through the design of a movie booking system, right? Because the parking itself is a system, right? So if we go through discussing the parking design, then probably you'll miss out many of the features of the movie booking system. So whenever in the interview also, if you'll ask, probably the interviewer will reply, probably we can have at the P1 requirement and will not consider it there.
Okay, bro. Okay, cool.
Cool. And but yeah, definitely here the requirements can be more towards how you can handle the probably select and confirm the seats, right? This is one of the tricky place, because as soon as I select one of the seat and I start, no one else can book that particular seat, right? So you need to maintain some kind of a concurrency. So probably the interviewer might ask, hey, tell me how you'll handle the concurrency there. Or probably later point of time, interviewer can go about, hey, discuss out the APIs. So LLT has basically two parts. One, you can discuss about the entities contract method, and the second probably what all the APIs that you are going to be exposed at the outer system. Cool. So let's start with the entities. So we'll go ahead with our usual top-down approach, right? Where we'll start with the base entity, or the top level entity, right? So what will the top level entity in this case? So So probably the system itself, right? Either it's a movie booking system or it's a book my system or whatever the system name, right? So let's suppose we take the BMS only, book my show. Okay, so yeah, BMS service, let's suppose BMS is book my show. I'm just naming it there. So book my show service, right, at the top level entity. And what all going to be attributes of the top level entity, or what all it is going to come? Book my system, right? Book my show service. What all things it is going to have? Definitely a system can't run without a theaters, right? So probably it is going to have a list of
theaters.
theater. Okay. And then any other thing directly as the book my show service?
Book a ticket.
Book a ticket. So definitely on the we'll come back to the contract method. First, let's attribute what all things it will have. Okay, so as we have a entity theater, so let's list down the theater entity. Right.
For a theater, like we can have cities as well, because movie can be in a particular city, right?
Correct. So okay, so your book my service should have some attribute city, or your theater should have some attribute city.
We should be able to list down all the theaters present in a city,
Correct. So
or
probably
maybe all the movies present
correct.
in
So
a.
let's suppose if you have some contract method, get all theaters in city, right? This is the contract method, right? And it is going to
Mhm.
receive, let's suppose, some city information, city name, or let's suppose a string name only, string city name. Okay.
Hmm.
If this is the contract method, it is going to return you list of theaters, right?
Right.
List of theaters.
Right.
List of theaters. List of theaters, right? Now, this book my service in itself have the theater list, right? And the theater should have some parameter where I am exactly located in, right? Let's suppose the PVR Garuda Mall is located in, let's suppose, Gurgaon, right? And based upon if you iterate all the theaters, probably you will be able to get all the cities, all the theaters in that particular city. So why that particular attribute, right? The city attribute should be a part of book my show service. It will have a contract method to get all the cities. But why that city attribute is a part of book my show service? So this contract method is exactly valid because you are going to have, based upon the requirement, you need list of all the theaters available in that particular city, right? So this contract method will come. But it should not have any of the attribute like the city or any such thing, right? In this book my show service, because this is your top level entity. And this is representing your entire system, which is span across the entire India or probably world, whatever the scale of your service is, right? It is not bound to a specific city.
Right.
Got this?
Yes, yes.
Okay, cool. So let's come back. Theater का spelling गलत है, right?
ठीक है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
ठीक है. Okay, cool. Doesn't matter. ठीक है. So theater is going to have what all attributes? Probably
Movie
name, ID. ठीक है, मतलब तो चलो इंटीजर रख लेते हैं. इंटीजर ID. ठीक है, theater ID ये तो common attribute था. ठीक है. Number of screens. Okay. So number of screens और number of OD मतलब list of OD, right? क्योंकि एक थिएटर के अंदर मल्टीपल ऑडीज हैं, राइट? सो probably list of OD rather than the number of only ODs. Screens is nothing but the OD, तो इसको OD ही रख लेते हैं क्योंकि OD भी अच्छा फैंसी वर्ड लग रहा है. ठीक है, तो OD list. Okay. Any other attribute of the theater?
Bro, I just have one doubt. So in a particular auditorium itself, there will be like a special category, like number of gold tickets, silver, platinum, and all. So
Correct.
like where exactly should that particular thing be present? Because
Okay.
I just have this particular role.
Correct. Let's visualize now. Theater is something like your let's break down to our first entity, Book My Servos, is nothing but your Book My Show website. The second entity, theater. Theater is some physical representation of a theater. Let's suppose PVR Garuda Mall, right? Then in that you have a list of auditorium. So the PVR Garuda Mall has multiple screens, right? Screen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this Audi is representing each and every screen. And then subsequently, each screen is going to have multiple seats, right? Because the screen 1 configuration of the seat can have entirely different from screen 2, right? Maybe screen 2 can have only gold seat and screen 1 can have gold, silver, platinum, all kind of seats, right? So the seats is actually coming back to this Audi, right? And definitely not a part of the theater altogether, right? Because theater में directly कहीं पे seat नहीं लगाया हुआ होता है, right? It is actually inside the auditorium, right? Agree with this?
Yes, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I'll give a currently I'm saying that probably seat is going to be I attribute to auditorium, but after coming back to that point, I'll give one more hypothesis and see whether we all agree with that, and based upon that we can take that decision, right? For now, let's assume that seats is going to be a property of the auditorium, right? And definitely it can't be a property of theater. For that we all agree, right? Theater का तो property नहीं होने वाला है. Definitely either it is going to be a part of Audi or something else that we'll discuss. So now theater is going to have the name, ID and the auditorium list, and one important attribute that we have not discussed for the theater. अगर हम वो attribute नहीं करेंगे तो ये fulfill नहीं होगा, right? Get all theaters in city, right? So probably it is going to have some information of the city, right? So probably a address of the theater, right? कि एड्रेस में खुद ही आ जाएगा which city, which zip code, what is the location, right? क्योंकि गरुड़ा मॉल के साथ अगर तुमको पता करना, right, कि पीवीआर कहाँ पे है, तो probably level 6 गरुड़ा मॉल or something like this. ठीक है, I am not sure कि कहाँ है गरुड़ा मॉल में, but ठीक है, level 6 गरुड़ा मॉल, ठीक है? So that is going to be represented by address, and this entity is required because we need to fulfill this as well, right? Get all theaters in that particular city. Okay. Any other entity that any other attribute of this theater? Okay. Let's come back to the third. Here we have discussed Audi, right? So now let's discuss the Audi entity. Okay. Audi is nothing but your screen. Okay. Audi or screen. Okay. Now each Audi is going to have, currently we have discussed, each Audi is going to have the seats, right? Because Audi में ही seats होते हैं. Now एक बार इसको थोड़े से मैं और refine करके बोलता हूँ, ठीक है? At a particular time, let's suppose you want to watch a movie, right? First, what you do, you select the city, then you select the movie, then you select the theater, then you select the screen, and then you select the timing, right? The final entity where you see the seats is the timing. Yes or no? मतलब मूवी बुकिंग का फ्लो यही है. First you start with selecting the city, then with the theater, जैसे कि पीवीआर सेलेक्ट हुआ, पीवीआर गरुड़ा मॉल सेलेक्ट हुआ, then you select कि किस स्क्रीन में है या फिर उसमें सारे शो टाइम लिस्ट हो जाते हैं, राइट? मतलब स्क्रीन हम लोग सेलेक्ट नहीं करते हैं खुद से, we just see the shows time, right? 2 o'clock को है, 4 o'clock को है, and ultimately we select that, right? So let's suppose in one of the auditorium or in one of the screen, multiple shows can run of the same movie or different movies, right? So the auditorium is going to have multiple shows, right? So it is going to have list of show, right? Any objection on this particular attribute? List of shows. मतलब list of show. Show is nothing but actual screening of a particular movie.
But at any given point of time, for a given screen, there will be like only one show can be running. Right? Like, for example, like even if you consider any theater like your Garuda Mall also, for there can be like multiple screens. Let's say like 6 auditoriums present. But for a given particular auditorium, that is like auditorium Audi 1, there can be like only one show can be running at a particular time slot, right?
Correct.
So
At a
now,
particular time, only one of the show will be running, but at any point of time, you are allowed to book multiple shows in advance, right?
okay.
मतलब अभी 3 बज रहा है, let's suppose अभी 3 बज रहा है, so you are allowed to book the show of 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 4 o'clock, or probably the next day onwards, right? Probably till 1 week time you can book all the shows. Yes or no? So should we have something list of show as part of this audit? Okay, cool. ठीक है. Now here that discussion was there, right? Earlier I told you कि definitely the seats is not a part of theater. It can be a part of Audi, but I'll generally talk with a more different hypothesis, and whether you all agree with that or not, based upon that we'll decide, right? Now, as we discussed, right, a theater is going to have multiple types of seat, right? It is going to be gold. It is going to be have, let's suppose, कौन कौन सा सीट होता है, गोल्ड, प्लैटिनम, सिल्वर, लेट्स सपोज ये 3 कैटेगरी रहते हैं, राइट? द प्राइसेस ऑफ दिस सीट, ठीक है, वेरी बेस्ड अपॉन द मूवी, राइट? वेरी बेस्ड अपॉन द टाइमिंग. कि 6 o'clock के शो में गोल्ड का प्राइस है 300 रुपीज, एंड प्रोबेबली आफ्टरनून वाले शो में उसी गोल्ड का प्राइस है 200 रुपीज, क्योंकि जनरली आफ्टरनून में कोई देखने नहीं जाता है, राइट? सो द प्राइस इज डिपेंडेंट अपॉन द शो, right? The price is not dependent upon seat. Price is dependent upon show. एक शो के एक सीट का प्राइस, ठीक है, उसी ऑडी में, ठीक है, दूसरे शो का प्राइस फॉर द सेम मूवी कैन बी डिफरेंट, राइट? प्लस एक और मैं इसका एक और क्लासिफिकेशन थोड़ा बताता हूँ. प्रोबेबली सम मूवीज में क्या होगा, ठीक है, बेस्ड अपॉन द गोल्ड सिल्वर क्लासिफिकेशन द प्राइस चेंजेस, राइट? And you identify कि hey, row number 1 to 5 is with the silver class, and row number 5 to 10 is, let's suppose, with the gold class. Now for some movies or some show, what you can do, all the seats will be allocated as part of the silver only, right? क्योंकि वहां पे कोई आता नहीं है, मतलब उस शो में जनरली कोई आता नहीं है, so probably you don't have such classification and you give all the shows in a single price, like all seats are silver only. Does this thing happen? Does this thing happen?
Yes, bro. Yeah, it can happen.
Correct. So that's what I am more inclined towards, because these seats vary a lot. मतलब सीट का सब कुछ वेरी करता है. कॉन्फ़िगरेशन मतलब टाइप, उसका प्रोबेबली प्राइस, एंड एवरीथिंग वेरीज अपॉन व्हाट? वेरीज अपॉन द शो. सो एंड अल्टीमेटली शो इज अ पार्ट ऑफ ऑडी, राइट? शो जो है, जितने भी शोज हैं वो एक ऑडी का पार्ट है अल्टीमेटली. तो शुड वी हैव द सीट्स as part of the show rather than as part of the Audi? क्या लगता है, मतलब what's the current inclination? देखो, should we have the seats as part of the Audi class or it should be part of the show class? Idea is कि seats का जो सारा configuration है, actually what you are booking the seat in a show, right? एक शो का सीट बुक करते हो, तुम एक ऑडिटोरियम का सीट नहीं बुक करते हो. यू से कि 6 o'clock को लेट्स सपोज रूही मूवी का सीट बुक करना है, राइट? यू डोंट से कि 6 o'clock को ऑडी 6 में जाकर के मुझे सीट बुक करना है. वी से कि 6 o'clock की किसी एक मूवी शो का सीट बुक करते हैं, राइट? सो शुड सीट बी एट्रीब्यूट ऑफ शो और ऑडी? दैट्स द क्वेश्चन. व्हाट्स द करंट वोट? Just say either so or Audi, मतलब whatever you feel like.
So.
Any other opinion? Should we have as part of so or should we have as part of Audi? Sure. So we all agree that the seats should be a part of show, and anyways, so is a part of Audi, right? So definitely there is a relation. मतलब Audi का ही ultimately वो चीज हो रहा है, but the concept is more belonging to a show rather than the Audi. So probably we'll do it like this. We'll keep so, ठीक है, and then we'll have probably the seats. Seat in itself will be an entity, right? And any other thing, so probably we'll have a timing. So probably इसके लिए ले लेते हैं int duration कर लेते हैं, या फिर int start time. int से नहीं होगा, so probably we'll have a timestamp. Start time will have, let's suppose, timestamp of end time. We'll have some information about the movie, right? Probably movie ID, so that we can know which movie is actually running at that particular time in that particular OD, right? मतलब उस शो में कौन सी मूवी रन हो रही है. And then we are going to have seats में कुछ, हाँ, should we have any of the attribute like the address as part of the auditorium? OD का एड्रेस होना चाहिए क्या? Should the OD class have this address attribute? Yes or no?
Why this address is required there? Because this theater is having the address. Like, why should we
Correct,
have
exactly,
the address
exactly. Exactly, I wanted to hear the same point. I just wanted to check whether everyone is following on this particular point or not, because address being attribute to OD doesn't make sense at all, right? Because address is an attribute of a theater. OD is not going, मतलब ऐसा नहीं होगा कि screen 6 of PVR Garuda Mall will lie in let's suppose कौन सा mall, Ambience Mall में होगा, ऐसा नहीं होगा, right? So that's why the address is an attribute of theater, and it should not be attribute of the OD class at all. Neither it can be attribute of the SO class and not any of such attribute, right? So probably we should be careful, like we should denote the any of the entities, whether it's a part of that or not, exactly based upon the relation. Is it going to have some information around that? Okay, and then we are going to have this seat attribute. Okay, seat का क्या क्या हो सकता है? Normal सा, right? Probably int row ID ऐसे denote करता है, right? और यहाँ पे ले लेते हैं string, ले लेता हूँ. Better, because someone denotes like the ABC way and someone denotes like a 1, 2, 3 way, right? So better either it can be a string or it can be a cat, whatever you prefer. Okay, and then we can have the column ID. Okay, row ID and the column ID, which will exactly denote the seat, right? And then probably we have the seat class, right? Should we have something, some attribute like the seat class? Some enum?
Yeah, or category.
Yeah, category will be a better word. Seat category.
And Ravi, where we will store
That could be
the
an enum.
It will be a enum. Yeah.
Ravi, where will we store the ticket price? Because it so the ticket price will belong to the show and seat.
Correct. Now, the ticket price is going to be an attribute of the seat, right? Because in a single show, ठीक है, देखो सारे में वो vary करेगा. It is not dependent upon movie for sure, right? क्योंकि हर एक ही मूवी के लिए अलग अलग प्लेसेस पे अलग अलग प्राइस होगा. It will not be dependent upon theater, because एक ही theater में there will be multiple prices. It will not be dependent upon auditorium, because एक ही auditorium में multiple movies के लिए multiple pricing होगी. It will not be dependent upon the show, right? Show में भी सिर्फ depend नहीं होगा, because in a single show as well multiple seats can have the different price category, right? So ultimately, for what it is not changing, for a show, for a seat, the price, matlab for a category price, it does not change, right? So either it can go as part of this seat class, right? Because ultimately the price is with that seat.
But Ravi, the price of the ticket will change according to the Sona. I think so. Like
अकॉर्डिंग टू,
according to the so,
हाँ सो देखो,
if the if,
हाँ देखो
hmm,
इसको थोड़ा सा और विजुअलाइज करते हैं। देखो, सो हैव दिस मल्टीपल सीट्स राइट, एंड इस सो को तुम ये मत समझो कि फॉर ईच एंड एवरी सो इसका एक अलग इंस्टेंस होगा, बिकॉज सी सीट इटसेल्फ विल वेरी राइट। अभी वाले सीट के लिए सीट कॉन्फ़िगरेशन विल बी डिफरेंट, और तुम्हारे पास 4 आगे सो के लिए भी ये ओपन होगा टिकट बुकिंग राइट, एंड देन यू कैन बुक सम अदर सो का सीट। सो देयर यू कांट से कि तुमने 6 बजे का टिकट बुक किया है, 6 बजे के शो में टिकट बुक किया है, एंड यू आर अलाउड टू सिट इन 3 o'clock के शो में राइट, यू विल नॉट बी अलाउड। So ultimately what you are booking, you are booking the seats of a particular show, right? So ये जो सीट है, ठीक है, इस शो के सीट को तुम बुक कर रहे हो। Agree with this?
okay.
क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली जो
That's
अवेलेबिलिटी है, अवेलेबिलिटी कहाँ से पता चलेगा? इस शो में कितने सीट्स अवेलेबल है उससे, राइट?
correct. But my question is like, suppose if I'm going to book one ticket, so there will be like for a particular show and for a particular seat type, there will be a fixed amount which I have to pay.
Correct.
So where are we going to store that? Because that
Okay.
will vary according to show. It's
हाँ,
not like
देखो,
just seat.
उसको कुछ और चीजें से आता है। देखो, why we are getting confused with the price, because of this particular reason। देखो, ये जो सीट है राइट, दिस सीट इज आल्सो, इसके ये अवेलेबिलिटी भी यही सीट वाला शो करेगा राइट, दिस सीट एट्रीब्यूट इज गोइंग टू शो द अवेलेबिलिटी एज वेल राइट। नाउ डायरेक्टली ऐसा नहीं होगा कि फॉर ईच ऑफ द थिंग्स वी आर गोइंग टू इटरेट ओवर देन फिगर आउट कि इसका क्या प्राइस है, एंड ईच ऑफ द सीट्स का हम लोग प्राइस दिखाएंगे राइट। rather we'll have some kind of a pricing attribute which know based upon the category, based upon that show कि क्या कैटेगरी है सीट्स का, क्या कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है, एंड बेस्ड अपॉन दैट विल शो द हाई लेवल प्राइसिंग राइट। एंड व्हेन यू एग्जैक्टली
Or
ओपन, हाँ, जब तुम एग्जैक्ट ओपन करते हो, जस्ट वन मोर पॉइंट, जब तुम एग्जैक्ट ओपन करते हो फाइनली बुकिंग के लिए राइट, whenever you hover to a seat right, there also you get the identification कि what is the price of that seat. So after selecting or clicking on that seat configuration, you exactly get what is the price, right? Ultimately, you see in the left bar ki हाँ, row number 1 to 10 is going to be 200 rupees, right? But that is for your help, right? Ultimately, the price is associated with exact that seat. हाँ, now your question.
we can also have a attribute like show ID or something, and 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 we can also have that show ID in the seat also. So on the basis of that
देखो,
show ID and seat
शो
ID.
शो के पास आईडी तो डेफिनेटली होने वाला है, ठीक है, आईडी शो का एट्रीब्यूट होगा ही, ठीक है। सो इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, ये वी आर कीपिंग। नाउ यू आर सेइंग कि सीट शुड हैव एट्रीब्यूट ऑफ अ शो आईडी राइट, दैट व्हाट यू आर सजेस्टिंग
Yeah.
दिस राइट। हाँ, अब इसमें देखो क्या प्रॉब्लम है, कभी भी मतलब जो चाइल्ड एंटिटी है, ठीक है, उसको पेरेंट इंफॉर्मेशन की जरूरत नहीं होती है, ठीक है। अल्टीमेटली दिस सीट इज अ एट्रीब्यूट ऑफ द शो ऑल टुगेदर राइट। तो शो में तुम एक्स्ट्रा ऐड करने से वी आर नॉट गेटिंग एनीथिंग। जैसे चेस वाले में था राइट, जो हमारे पास चेस का स्क्वायर था राइट, दैट हैज द एट्रीब्यूट पीस, बट पीस में वापस स्क्वायर एट्रीब्यूट का कोई मतलब नहीं है। सेम वे द शो इटसेल्फ हैव अ लिस्ट ऑफ सीट राइट, सो फिर सीट में वापस शो को रखने का यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट एनी बेनिफिट आउट ऑफ दैट, क्योंकि शो का इन्फॉर्म, ये जो सीट है दैट इज होली ओन्ड एज पार्ट ऑफ दिस शो राइट। तो उसके बाद सीट में अगर तुम शो रखोगे तो व्हाट एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट इट विल गिव यू।
Okay, yeah, we got it. But basically my point was कि you have to give one fixed amount for a particular show ID and a seat ID associated or a seat category associated with that.
करेक्ट, हाँ।
Whenever someone
हाँ
books
देखो,
it.
हाँ, तो जैसे कि ये सीट है राइट, so let's suppose I start a show right, कि so मैंने just I'm taking this example, ठीक है, 6 o'clock का मैंने एक शो स्टार्ट किया, ठीक है, रूही मूवी let's suppose, ठीक है। and probably I'm saying कि row number 1 to 10 have this price as, let's suppose 200, and 11 to 20 has let's suppose price of 300, something like this, right? ये एक शो है, 6 o'clock इसका स्टार्ट टाइम है, मूवी इंफॉर्मेशन ये है, एंड रो नंबर 1 to 10 have the pricing 200, 11 to 200 the pricing of 300, right? What it is actually representing? The row number of a seat, right? And this seat in itself can say कि इसके पास क्या इंफॉर्मेशन है, let's suppose 1, या फिर 1A, 12A, ठीक है? These are the vacant, ठीक है, vacant seat, and let's suppose 12B is booked. 12B is booked, right? Now इन सारे सीट का एट्रीब्यूट ये था, राइट, कि वेदर इट इज अ बुक, वेदर इट इज अ वैकेंट, राइट? So ultimately the seat is going to have some attribute to identify whether it is occupied or whether it is vacant, right? So if the seat is going to have some attribute of the vacant and book, why the price should not be an attribute of a seat? अगर वो रखते हैं, ठीक है, then we need to move out this as well, right? ये vacant and booked information कहाँ पे रखेंगे? This also needs to be placed somewhere, right? And जहां पे vacant information है, that is the price information, right? क्योंकि वो सीट अवेलेबल है कि नहीं, एंड उस सीट का क्या प्राइस है. अगर इसको मैं थोड़ा और इस रिक्वायरमेंट को थोड़ा सा और चेंज करते हैं, अभी जो नॉर्मली प्राइस है वो क्या होता है, 1 to 10 रो नंबर पे प्राइस स्टार्ट होता है, राइट, बेस्ड अपॉन द सिल्वर कैटेगरी, बेस्ड अपॉन द गोल्ड कैटेगरी, राइट? टुमारो आई से कि द कॉर्नर सीट्स आर गोइंग टू बी हैव 50 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा, राइट, फॉर द ऑब्वियस रीजंस, ठीक है? तो कॉर्नर सीट का अगर मैं प्राइस इंक्रीज करता हूं बाय 50 रुपीज, राइट, वेयर आई नीड टू पास दिस इंफॉर्मेशन. देयर कैन बी रिक्वायरमेंट, राइट, कि कुछ सीट को मैं स्पेशल प्रायोरिटी दे रहा हूं, स्टिल दोज आर इन द सेम रो, बट द कॉर्नर सीट इन द सेम रो इज गोइंग टू हैव अ 50 रुपीज एक्स्ट्रा प्राइस. लेट्स सपोज 1 to 10 में वो 250 हो जाएगा, 11 to 20 में वो 350 हो जाएगा, राइट? वेयर एग्जैक्टली वी शुड पुट दैट इंफॉर्मेशन? Either we can do two things, probably we can start a new class altogether, right? मतलब एक सीट क्लास बन जाएगा, जैसे गोल्ड सिल्वर तो था ही, गोल्ड कॉर्नर सिल्वर कॉर्नर ऐसे करके वो क्लास बनेंगे, सीट क्लास, एंड पोस्ट अपॉन दैट आई विल फिक्स द प्राइस. और probably anyways seat have this attribute seat class, and seat can have attribute of the pricing as well directly. So each and every seats can receive a different price altogether.
Or we can have a new class which will have this show ID and seat class and price of that seat.
तो तुम
Will it
इसको
work?
बोल रहे हो, हाँ ठीक है, देखो उसमें तुमने क्या बोला उसको भी देख लेते हैं, ठीक है? You said you will have a show ID, ठीक है, will have the seat, right, and then और
Seat
क्या,
class.
सीट क्लास,
Seat
right,
class
ठीक है.
and price. उसके अकॉर्डिंग फिर प्राइस
प्राइस
आईडी
फिर
और
किसके,
सीट क्लास.
हाँ प्राइस किसका एट्रीब्यूट है?
प्राइस इसी
अच्छा
का,
सीट
हाँ,
क्लास
इसी में
मतलब
एक
ओके,
नया
सीट
attribute.
क्लास, ओके,
हाँ,
सीट क्लास, ओके, एंड देन यू आर गोइंग टू हैव probably the price.
सो
ठीक है,
जैसा कि
हाँ.
आपने अभी ये एक एग्जांपल बताया कि जैसे कॉर्नर सीट्स वगैरह है, तो वो एक
Correct.
वो एज अ सीट क्लास हो जाएगी और उसकी
हाँ. So this can also be a valid thing, ठीक है, in which what we have done, we have segregated the seat, मतलब prices based upon the seat class, ठीक है, and then subsequently probably यहाँ जो मेरा seat class का information है, for that we have extracted out the show information, we have extracted out the seat class information, and then it can have the price. So that this approach will also work totally fine, ठीक है. But in this particular approach हमने यहाँ से कुछ चीजें abstract कर दी है. So in itself is a representation of a physics, मतलब जो exact show चलता है, right, उसी के some part को we have extracted out to this particular class. So with some modification we can make it also, मतलब probably it will also work in the same way, बस इसको थोड़ा सा modify करेंगे and it will work thus exactly same thing, क्योंकि exactly it is contain the same information. अगर इसके पास सीट क्लास है, ठीक है, एंड देन इट हैज द प्राइस। यहाँ पे मैंने बोला है सीट है, उसका प्राइस है। तो बेस्ड अपॉन द कैटेगराइजेशन की द प्राइस इज बेस्ड अपॉन द क्लासेस ऑफ सीट और द हाइपोथेसिस वेदर द प्राइस इज अटैच्ड टू ईच एंड एवरी सीट। ठीक है, एनी फर्दर क्वेश्चन? मतलब ये भी एकदम करेक्ट है, मतलब इसमें भी मुझे नहीं दिखता कि कोई प्रॉब्लम है। वी कैन रिफाइन दिस एज वेल and we can go ahead with that as well. Iska probably the hypothesis is coming that the price is attached to a seat class, and previous approach ka hypothesis is each and every seat can have a different pricing. ठीक है, cool. Any follow up question? कुछ कोई और question?
No, Ravi.